Hello everyone. In previous video we discussed about the storage organ of plants. These were roots, stem, leaves, seeds. Now we will discuss food for plants. Where does the plant get food? Now why do a plant store food in its seeds? कि plant food को seeds के अंदर क्यों store करता है? It does so, ये ऐसे इसलिए करता है for the baby plant present in the seed. When the baby plant start growing, जब baby plant growing करना start करता है, it uses the food stored in the seed until it can make its own food. ये उस stored food को use करता है जब तक कि वो अपना फूड खुद ना बना ले. द फूड इज स्टोर्ड इन सीड लीव्स कॉल्ड कोटिलेडोन. जो फूड स्टोर होता है वो सीड लीव्स में स्टोर होता है जिनको हम बोलते हैं कोटिलेडोन्स. नाउ द बेबी प्लांट रेस्ट इन द सीड till it gets all the necessary conditions to start growing. The necessary conditions are air, water and a warm place or या फिर room temperature. The growth of a baby plant from a seed is called germination and a young growing plant is called a seedling. Next is fiber in food. What is fiber? Fiber is a carbohydrate and which is the undigested part of the food. Now dietary fiber is found in cereals, fruits and vegetables. Fiber is made up of undigestible parts of plant which pass relatively unchanged through our stomach and intestine. Unchanged means इनका digestion नहीं होता. The main role of fiber is to keep the digestive system healthy. और जो फाइबर होता है वो हमारे डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम को हेल्थी रखता है. कैसे? अदर टर्म्स ऑफ डाइटरी फाइबर्स आर बल्क एंड रफेज. जो डाइटरी फाइबर्स को हम क्या बोलते हैं? बल्क या फिर रफेज. These fibers prevent from various disorders like constipation, heart disease, some cancer and irritable bowel syndrome. Till now we have discussed about sources of food from plants. Now we will discuss about sources of food from animals. कि कौन कौन से sources of food है जो हमें animal से मिलते हैं. Animals are both direct and indirect sources of food for us. Direct means we consume animals as a food directly or indirectly like milk, eggs. So first is meat. The flesh of some animals is eaten as food. Poultry, bird, fishes, goats and sheep provide meat. So sea creatures such as shrimps, prawns, shellfishes and crabs are also eaten as rich sources of protein. Second is milk. Food products that we get from animals include milk which is produced by mammals such as camel, goat, cow, buffalo. Milk can be drunk as it is or processed into dairy products such as cheese, butter and consumed. Milk is a rich source of calcium. Meat is a rich source of protein and milk is a rich source of calcium. Animals that use as a source of milk are known as milch animals. कि जिन एनिमल से हमें मिल्क मिलता है या जो एनिमल्स हमें मिल्क प्रोवाइड करते हैं उन एनिमल्स को हम क्या बोलते हैं? मिल्च एनिमल्स. नाउ थर्ड सोर्स ऑफ फूड इज eggs. We also consume eggs as food. Eggs are rich in nutrients such as protein and vitamins. Eggs के अंदर क्या होता है? Protein and vitamin. Meat is the rich source of protein. Milk is a rich source of calcium and eggs are the rich source of protein and vitamins. Next part is honey. Honey bees buzzing around flowers. Bees collect nectar from flowers and make honey from it. जो बीज होती हैं वो नेक्टर को फ्लावर से कलेक्ट करती हैं और उससे हनी बनाती है. दे स्टोर द हनी इन देयर हाइव्स. वो अपने हाइव्स के अंदर हनी को स्टोर करती है. वी कलेक्ट हनी फ्रॉम बी हाइव्स. हम बी हाइव्स से हनी कलेक्ट करते हैं. एंड हनी इज़ अ रिच सोर्स ऑफ कार्बोहाइड्रेट सच एज सुक्रोज, ग्लूकोज, लैक्टोज, वाटर एंड मिनरल्स. Now exercise first question is fill in the blanks. First is living things which can make their own food are known as. कि जो living things होते हैं जो अपना food खुद बनाते हैं उन्हें हम क्या बोलते हैं? Producers. Now second point, living things which derive nutrition from others are known as. कि जो living thing जो अपना nutrition या तो प्रोड्यूसर से डिराइव करते हैं किसी और प्लांट और एनिमल से डिराइव करते हैं उन्हें हम क्या बोलते हैं? कंज्यूमर्स. Now, living things which derive nutrients from dead and decaying matter are known as, कि वो living thing जो अपना nutrition dead और decaying matter से derive करते हैं उन्हें हम क्या बोलते हैं, decomposers या फिर saprophytes. Now fourth point is dash is a herbivore. You have to write an example of a herbivore. So you can write cow, goat. So cow is a herbivore. Now dash and dash are our sources of food. Dash and dash are our sources of food. Plants and animals are our sources of food because plants and animals are our sources of food because we get all food products from plants or animals, like we get egg, honey, milk. These are products from animals, and we get fruits and vegetables. These are from plants. Now sixth part is dash and dash are required by green plants to make glucose during photosynthesis. फोटोसिंथेसिस में जो रॉ मटेरियल यूज होता है वो कौन सा होता है, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड and carbon dioxide and sunlight are required by green plants to make glucose during photosynthesis, and dash is released in process. So what is released? Oxygen is released in this process.